Meaning of dependent variable.
Dependent variable.
Dependent variable.
Dependent variable.
Dependent variable. A dependent variable is a variable in an experiment that is being measured or observed. It is called dependent because its value depends on or is affected by the independent variable in the experiment. The independent variable, on the other hand, is the variable that is being manipulated or changed by the experimenter. In other words, the dependent variable is the effect while the independent variable is the cause. Understanding the relationship between these two variables is crucial in experimental design and data analysis as it helps to establish cause-and-effect relationships.